This is the future of house building in Canada. Watch this video and I'll tell you why. The biggest advantage of our homes at the flats of Cumberland are they are all steel framed. This is galvanized light gauge steel. It's better than timber because A, it doesn't rust, it doesn't rot, it doesn't mold, it's fireproof, it's recyclable, and it's precise to the millimeter. Okay, it's lighter and stronger than timber, it's better in an earthquake, and each panel and piece of wood is precisely manufactured right here on site to the nearest millimeter. So what you know is the home that's been built is precisely to the plans. There's no deviations, there's no wonky walls, there's no odd, weird shaped corners. Every home is the same to the millimeter. Every home has a concrete foundation with a crawl space. Behind me here you can also see the subfloors and the floor joists going on top of that concrete foundation. The crawl spaces are vented, there's drains, there's power down there. It's absolutely rock solid. And this is where things start to get really excellent. On the outside of that 6-inch steel frame here is 4 inches of hard insulation. It's called warm frame technology. This 6-inch frame never sees the outside. It's wrapped in this hard insulation, and then the frame itself is stuffed with the soft batt insulation. And so you end up with 10 inches of insulation in the walls. And it's very similar for the ceiling. The ceiling's a bit thicker actually because there is a vapor gap in there built in. And that's why the energy efficiency of these homes are so excellent. And when you look at the window sills, they're so deep. In Unit 51 here under construction, here's a better view of it. So here we've got the hard insulation on the outside, and then this 6-inch frame here will be stuffed with batt insulation. And this means that the window frame right here, this chunk of wood is probably 10 inches wide, very thick, so it's a very deep window sill. We get a lot of questions about the wall studs. You know, can we hang things on there? Absolutely you can. Yeah, we're going to attach the kitchen cabinets to it. It's very similar to timber studs. You use a stud finder. You just need to use special types of screws to go into this steel frame. And just at the rear door onto the patio, here's a better view of the 6-inch frame and the 4 inches on the outside. So that's how we can see we end up with almost 12 feet wall once we add the vapor barrier, the siding on the inside, the drywall on the inside, siding on the outside. That's how we have really thick walls. I'm in the primary bedroom of this Bennett layout, and I love coming in here because everything is so perpendicular, everything's so perfect. The construction crews tell me it's great to work with because you know it fits. It fits or it doesn't fit. If it doesn't fit, it's wrong. I mean, just look down here, this line. It is absolutely perfectly straight, perfectly rigid, perfectly symmetrical. It's a quality build. And I know this is a video about the construction, but look at this view in the back of Unit 51. It's absolutely magical. And the homes are built to the lock-up stage by a company called Orca, LGS, light gauge steel. They really pioneered their light gauge steel building technology. Originally from the UK, they have sold globally thousands of units, and now they're based right here in the Comox Valley. And then the seller of the homes, F&C, takes over and expertly finishes the inside. So that's the floors, the walls, the ceilings, all the utilities, so the electrical, plumbing, the cabinetry, and puts those expert finishing touches on to make these homes absolutely stunning. There we have it. That's the future. The future of construction will have more steel frame, more manufactured processes, standardized processes, higher insulation, better environmental performance. We're just ahead of the game in these homes. Plenty of extra information on our website, www.theflatsofcumberland.ca, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.